Femreni dupe fancy di Maria bana famano nsemo a eno enso atimi atodwa nyina no watimi enso e the latest no e the abrain afi games ahoro enso ai bae no or the honsam e the atodwa enso atimi di amanti samre di ene entina enkozi se no se bebo apamu na afi wonso atimi hu agudie mu nsemo a e bani na enso atimi e ho Ghana yem Premier League no enso gusua ekoso na match week 9 no enso atimi start na no eye Friday ene abobo ba de besi eno ya games in nano and so media wins. I will share match week 9 of the Ghana Premier League. Say and a hunts and seminal and so citia yadi air to him media matifi and she be my hassle folk and so echo share him you a cry lions a share back samates and so etimisha bandiko to cotifie and she be my heart of lions and so koko show bako Vision FC and she be my Adriana Football Club and so entimi and she be Swaterman FC and she me my Bechem United and so etimisha me no brekum Chelsea she me no my Basake Holy Stars and so etimisha me no Carola Tifie one should my Nations FC Cup echo share the kabakwa or no enso ede eba fie Bebiani Gold Stars the league leaders enso eboya or no enso entimi and she be my Dreams FC enso entimi and she be no ene said no man enso si koe e Ghana Premier League ni ma mere ho sem no at air to any enso honene wa bra about 7 p.m. enso Legon Park ne ho na Legon Cities enso ne Young Apostles enso ede ebom wo ha eno ene said no man enso esi kwae de air to any mene enso e wo dwumade ne so enti after match week 9 Legon Cities ne Young Apostles be wie ne no say na league table no enso sitie Bebiani Gold Star still enso eda so with 19 points Nations FC aba beto so mienu with 16 points Kumasi Asante Kotoko etoso miensa enso ewo eye 15 points fourth position no enso eye Mediama ono enso ewo 15 points fifth enso eye Samatex the defending champions omo enso ewo 14 points sixth no eye Heart of Lions 14 points Brekum Chelsea etoso 7 for 14 points Hasso Folk abetoso 8 for no so ewo 12 points so benya Bechem United otoso 9 ewo 11 points 10 for no eye Swaterman ewo 11 points Vision FC etoso 11th ewo 11 point Holy Stars enso toso 12 ono so ewo 9 points na afi Young Apostles toso 13th who ya na chess omo for division 1 buy no and occupy from 11th 12 na afi 13th no tise ne bibia antimi ansesa bia no betimi adane kakra because Young Apostles say Legon Cities or board draw na se we wini kra na no betimi asesa enso atimi da man so betimi to so bia bebe 12 na se bisa enso atimi ho ntisa na sitie Kawela enso to so 14th with 9 points wenya Accra Lions or to so 15th with 8 points na afi wenya Timo a je friend Adriana Football Club ono enso da ho na ne points no Ubehwe na wayi ni na matima bobo ade ne so ama nyoma na enso atimi atoto di enso atimi ho ntino said ye no man enso sitie ehwe na atimi complete league table no enso atimi edema wana matimi ahu sere no no enso etiko Accra Lions etoso position no enso ewo ne points a no enso ewo hwaye ho nsem no ede to anim sanso na benya Adriana Football Club etoso 16th enso 8 points Dreams FC etoso 17th ewo 5 na fi Legon Cities enso twatoa ono enso ewo 5 points dia no ene said ye no man enso city a ye de to anim wo Ghana yem Premier League nim na yemo wuram na afi yendi nkomo ewo after game ba so enra ewo Oboase Lane Sports Stadium getting by the way no and sensembebri ene timi calls na yanko na afi ye ni coaches no enso eni nkomo na afi player no enso Nasco man of the match enso yendi ho nkomo na yen started from coach a friend Bashir head for no and your head coach e my team a friend Heart of Lions or boy adwuma yie pa e mo this season on Kwadwo Obin Junior go na o share no say and a coach Bashir Hereford enso etimi Edituja.
Experience. Experience always counts. When you got the ball, he was not panicking. He saw that the goalkeeper was out of the post. So he had to do the needful. And so he did exactly that because of experience. As you rightly said, if it would be any young player, we panicking and maybe you kick the ball away. And that is why we always want to get one or two experienced players, mix up with the young ones so that they can.
no ane nsɛm a owura fɛ ne Bashir Hayford enso ɛde to dwa we your bin junior go no ɔhyɛ no sɛ wɔ tam ball no enso ɛde ato kotogogo gi fɛ ne camera akyi after sɛ ɔbɛyɛ clearance a ɛno enso antimi akɔ na wɔkyekye mu sɛ we no onye experienced player wontimi nhyɛ saa go no because experienced player and man itimi enso etimi keeping the composure etimi share go no enso etimi wɔ hɔ na on first half no say ɛna coach fɛ ne Bashir Hayford enso ɛka fa ho.
For him. How good are they?
No, I want to concentrate on my phone. If anybody's phone is not my concern. What I've gotten here, my phone is what I'm concentrating on. So thank you very much for not commenting on that.
No, I coach Bashir Hayford. We and someone I can at the Afa Kumasi as I know to continue on Timmy Congo, you'll be a Juman Faman on Joanna there or concentrate treating more. And so, Timo, a friend or a heart of lions, and you have no concentrate on a Timo and anybody. There be Nadia or yes, I didn't know. Tis our question, Nadia. Ness and Sebo Panino. Enso etimi ede two jai ho nsem no ede eto anim enso ewo dwumade ne so yemfiri ho na afa yenkɔ a branch efe no Kwadwo Bin Junior oni goal no enso ehye ede tia timu a je fe no Kumasi asa ne kotoko na branch no enso di ho komo
kakaka abaka zo good dey ya hu training the coach ede dem ya no akaka bi say also we practicals na so na de ko game enti no we na you see training grounds enti we nya ball na how to receive, how to kick. You know, you are about shot. Which one is a coach na? Ana, watch ya. Kwa kwa la mti ya juma go na ba. Kaka.
Engineers go training grounds go. Ai mo chotretro mo say bobu ho say o police bobu say o box shot ni na no kan bi na say o chire no ene atimi amana ba be gina ma wasa ahegu kama we na de 3 points enso aba e dem atima ye fe no ye Heart of Lions no ntia no ne nsemo a obrantie no enso e de etu dwa na on the performance all na di this season e dem atimo a ye fe no Heart of Lions say e no ka fa ho
because coach Bashir Hayford and what's my improvement the dedication my dan go pass so Heart of Lions playing for my dom as Dr. Ready Abe award we meje dem no and am tama man for him to train no omo hu say ne pabo me mo betimi aboa me and omo farm o mo team betimi ka improvement na ba na de yankopon ne coach
entiene ya me ne wo kasa so hwe na se improvement aba e de ama onu Kwadwo Bin Junior na eze na se nkomfama ne coaches a onu omoye adwuma ne mpanimfo onu omoye adwuma o se amanfo bi yi ne twotwene no ese mpanimfo yi ne so nim hu se da bi mi papa bi woni mu a ebetimi aboa omo to makwa akọfa na ba afi wono enso etimi bogos no enso etimi de mo omo ntia no ene nsem opani no enso ede tudwa na coach Prosper Netwogum head coach ede matime afa ne Kumasi asa ne kotoke no a omo di ntwere nenso o se ntwene om di ye no owo positives bi a opeke enso edi free mu.
If you look at the way we were calm on the ball, it was okay. But then I think we also try to at least play a lot of combination play in front of the opponent area, try to see if we can get some free kicks or even get that last pass to break the line. So these are some of the few positives, I think.
And the woman say I show more the end so wa peke positive sense what media free game nimu a eno ekọ animu ne betima boa e ma team Kumasi asa ne kotoko enso etimi apom ntoma pa fa afira na bibia enso etima koyi enso e de amomo na odin komo biem no se ogidie se the way boys no ball na ase na omo energy ni wo form na emu ogidie se in the past 7 days games o ma bo e kwanya o ma tu e ka ho bi e na game no course de corner no.
We look very slow, we look very tired on the field. I think the stress of the journey, I mean, from Kumasi to Enyinase, about 9 hours. We played on Sunday, traveled another 10 hours or 9 hours to Accra to play on Wednesday. That was on Monday. And then from Wednesday we had to travel all the way from Accra to Kumasi. So, I mean, it's been three games in 7 days. And you could see that they were tired. I don't believe in giving, I don't believe in that. I don't try to give excuses, but that is so obvious. Look at from Kumasi to Enyinase, 9-10 hours. And then, so I think it was fatigue.
No, and then someone coach, your friend Prosper Netwogum, and so to just, no. I know one time person be my excuses but him say we need there edi say waka because of when you almost here to kwan no 9 hours 10 hours no my year na him say na